Hey guys, we got another video, and today we're gonna be going over the max speed, the Coolster 70cc dirt bike. Some of you guys who are subscribed may recall that I already did this video once, but it was kind of confusing, and I went over the Razor MX352, and I think I should have just split it up in between two videos. So this one will be a whole lot better. It'll be shorter too. We're gonna use GoPro's GPS tracking for the speed, so it should be on the screen. So we're gonna just go over it. I'm not making this video just to like make a second video because that one got a lot of views. I'm doing it because that video was just kind of bad and I just want to redo it. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna get it started up and warmed up. Okay, so that was the max speed. It was near full throttle, but I didn't want to blow the engine up. So it might be we might get a few miles an hour faster than this. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.